A car with a fiberglass body such as this will involve some restoration over the years. The plastic is bound to crack in places, and it's very easy to fill and repair. And in this video I'm going to go through the modification of the rear valance, I think it's called, because the exhaust was on the right, and I'm filling a hole on the right because the exhaust will come out on the left. And I'm using a plastic padding which in the summer takes about 15 minutes to go off, probably about a day to cure properly, but you can certainly work really freely with this material. I should really be using protective gloves. And here I'm just kind of improving the surface because I'm going to spray this rear valance matte black, and the purpose of it is to cover the exhaust system, which will be the topic of the next video after this one. So here my friend Neil, who's sadly no longer with us, he died a couple of years ago. He is grinding away a weak spot in the bodywork where the gull-wing doors put tremendous strain on the central steel and fiberglass bar, which you can see here, and he's reinforcing it. I'd already tried it, but I hadn't kind of cut in deep enough. So he's really a lot more experienced than I am. He ran his own garage on the island of St Helens, and he's done fantastic work helping me with the Ford Z-Tech engine, which I couldn't get anybody locally to help me with. So here we're mixing some polyester resin to make up the GRP, which is glass reinforced polyester, and it will be trimmed or finished with a plastic padding. In fact, Neil stole my thunder. I wanted to do these jobs. He's much better at mechanics than me, but he just wanted to get stuck in and do this particular repair. So in the next episode I'm going to cover Neil building a custom exhaust for me, and saved me a huge amount of money. So please keep tuned and watch the whole series if you're new to it. Thanks for watching.